Welcome to LearnerStop. This is Samiksha, and in this video we will discuss about minimum support price. Firstly, what it is. So, in a theory, an MSP is the minimum price set by the government at which farmers can expect to sell their produce for the season. So when the market prices fall below the announced MSPs, procurement agencies step in to procure the crop and support the prices. So the Indian government sets the price for 22 commodities twice a year. It is fixed by an expert group. So let's see some of the crops under it. So cereals, pulses, oilseeds, copra, dehusked coconut, raw cotton, raw jute, sugarcane, Virginia flu, cured tobacco. Now, why is it important? So, price volatility makes life difficult for farmers. So, the prices of agricultural commodities may soar while in short supply. During years of bumper production, the prices get much lower. So, MSPs ensure that farmers get a minimum price for their produce in adverse markets, and MSPs have also been used as a tool by the government to incentivize farmers to grow crops that are in short supply. Now, the factors for fixing the MSP. So, the demand and supply, cost of production, price trends in the market, both domestic and international, intercrop price parity, terms of trade between agriculture and non-agriculture, a minimum of 50% as the margin over cost of production, and likely implications of MSP on consumers of that product. So, problems. So, the problems are like in crop production, the support prices that are being provided do not increase at par with the increase in the cost of production. Then MSPs have unequal access, procurement related problems are there, like almost 2/3 of the total cereal production is taken through the route of MSP, leaving only 1/3 for open market. Then excess storage and issues in WTO, like India's MSP scheme for many crops have been challenged by many countries in the WTO. Then comes market distortion, like it favors some particular crops over the other crops. Then ecological problems. So it leads to non-scientific agricultural practices whereby the soil, water are stressed to an extent of degrading groundwater table and salinization of soil. Also, killing of competition, because any interference by government kills the competition. So, what are the committees? What are some of the committees and their views? So, the National Commission on Farmers was constituted on November 18, 2004 under the chairmanship of Professor M.S. Swaminathan. Now, the reports contain suggestions to achieve the goal of faster and more inclusive growth and envisaged in the approach to 11th Five-Year Plan. The Swaminathan Committee widely disseminated recommendations to fix MSP for crops at levels at least 50% more than the weighted average cost of production. So what is way ahead? So instead of relying on MSP alone, the government needs to explore alternate methods like models to boost farmers' income. The Niti Aayog is already working on alternative mechanism. Then procurement system of government needs to be streamlined. To solve the problem of MSP, both Niti and Economic Survey recommend price deficiency payment. Then declare MSP for all types of goods, also easing the role of procurement agencies and minimizing storage losses and costs. Then as an alternative, input subsidy policy should also have been formulated to watch the interest of the farmers. Then some states like MP have launched price deficit financing schemes like Bhuvantar Bhugtan Yojana, in which the government pays the farmers the difference between model rate, the average price in major mandis, and the MSP. So the scheme appears to be a better alternative which faces challenges of storage and liquidation. Now similarly, Haryana government is also following Bhuvantar Bharpai Yojana. So it is for vegetables. So this is all about MSP, and thank you so much for watching, and keep learning and keep growing.